Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to transfer money from Direct Express to Cashapp. So for that, you need to open up your Cashapp on your mobile phone, and after that just click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen, and here just scroll down a bit and click on linked banks, and after that just click on link debit card, and here you have to add your debit card detail, your card number, your CVV number and expiry date. And once you're done adding your card details, you just have to click on add card, and after that just come back to your home screen and click on this banking icon at the bottom left corner of mobile screen. Just click on that, and here you will see this add cash and cash out. Just click on add cash, and here enter the amount that you want to cash out from your Cashapp to Direct Express. And this is how you transfer money from your Direct Express to Cashapp. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it, and I'll see you the next time.